I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail password in 2025. Now, if in case you forgot your Gmail password and you want to change it, or you just want to change it for security reasons, I'm going to show you how to do that. But before then, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel. So without wasting much time, go to your settings, go to your phone settings. Make sure you watch this video to the end. You go to your phone settings, then you scroll down to accounts. Scroll down to accounts. I can't. Let me find mine. See accounts here. So just tap on accounts. Then you can see all the Google accounts on your phone. So let's say this is the account I want to change. So I'll just tap on my Gmail account. You will see it here. I'll just tap on any of the Gmail account. For example, this is the one I want to change. So I'll just tap on it. Then tap on Google account and wait for it to load. You give it some time to load. Then you will see personal info. You tap on personal info. Then you scroll down to password. Just keep scrolling down. You will see password. So you can see password here. So just tap on it. And when you tap on password, you'll be prompted to, Google will need to verify whether it is you that has the account. So you need to verify with your fingerprint only. You can see now they're asking me to verify with my fingerprint. So I just put my fingerprint and it will open. They will now allow me to change my Gmail password. You can see it. So you can just put your new password and press change password. But I don't want to change my password. I'm just doing it for the sake of this video. So if you find this video to be interesting, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.